Yun, ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko kayo, meron pa kaming slot, available slot sa 14 under, 15 under, 16 under at 17 under. So alam namin na malakas kayo kaya sumali na kayo rito. Tara G, let's go! Ano bang pangalan niyan?
me of this energy. I got too much going on to worry about my enemies. All the stuff you talking, I can tell it's really jealousy. On that higher frequency, don't let you get the best of me. Put that on the death of me, turn up the intensity. Your morning light.
Kapon na quadrille sa no. Pero kasukala, sino pa may nakakuha ng bola? Taking pick and pocket using still coming in from Dumalaw Kabunyag. Pipinasa kay Braga. Braga finds pass pero titira na lang. Wala. Number 15, pinasa ay 61. 61 coming to the floater, no good. Pero bola sa sindikato. Grabe naman yan, coming in from layup, using a Kabunyag, 2 points. That's the one. Basket on 5 plus 7 points. Number 9, Dumalaw. First personal foul, first team foul. Bertillo, number 61. Pasok. Whoop. Lost ball foul, contact by number 11. Counted, coach. Pero loose ball foul, contact tayo, number 11. Pako niya. Right back, pinigay. Wala dito kay Ante. Same ball. Number 11, first personal foul. First team foul. Pako niya. Dumalaw for jumper. Correct, 2 points. Valenzuela to number 11. Back to Valenzuela. Valenzuela, drop pass sa ilalim. Napakagandang connection yun. 2 points. Kabunyag, open. Correct. Valenzuela. Locking coming in for Barca. Binigay kay number 11. Pero kaso wala na agaw ni Dumalaw. Nakapigan pa ng Hedi. Kabunyag still securing the ball. Binigay kay Kabunyag. Dumalaw. Barca. Alas pa. Pasala na Juani. Dumalaw ang Tombe. Mabales. 5 to shoot. Dumalaw for jumper. Easy 2 points. Valenzuela. Ibinigay, coming in from number 61. Grabe naman yan. Double clutch, layup, 2 points. Dead ball, dead ball. Dead ball tayo, dead ball. Coming up from foul, submit. Foul by number 61. Pasok ilabas, out. 61. Berkilyo. Ay, Berkilyo. First personal foul. First team foul. Kabunyag. Tumira, Bales. Kunting pa agaw, pero exchange. Kevin, tinutungkol team to Arsena. Binigay kay Kabunyag ulit. 10 shoot. Nakakuha niya number 7. Binigay kay Berkilyo. Lady for him. Number. Nakakuha niya Bales. At nakawakan ng foul. Number 15. Valenzuela, second personal 30 foul. Oh, yung first foul coming from number 11, yung Tito. Mera Males. Sabi nakuha ni Aquino. Aquino, inisip ko. But rebound coming in from Pama. Good. Bigay yung point win. No good. Binigay from Dumalaw. 2 points. Dumalaw. Ako man. Good. Binigay sa loob. 2 points. Abon niya ulit. 1-3 for 3. 3 points. Cruz, pumawal sa tres. No. But Mera Males coming in from the rebound. Mera Males on the layup. No. Follow by Aquino. No. Rebound by number 11. Ibinigay kay Cruz. Cruz for easy layup. No. Sumapit pa. Nahuli dito ka lang. But start by 6-1 to Pama. Kabunyag. Kabunyag na ito. Binigay kay Aquino at natawa ka na foul. Sobret. Foul by number 7. Lopez. Second personal foul running for penalty. Sablay. Pasok. Begueo. Coming in for the layup, 2 points. 2-1. Geronimo. Kabunyag. Kabunyag Filipino step. Pero represent kami from Arcena, 2 points. Cruz. Naibigay from Pama. Supply. Nakuha ni 92. Ibinigay kay Cruz. Puts up for 3. No. Aquino with the rebound. Libre si Kabunyag ulit. Natawa ka ng foul. Timeout! Infinity. Number 61 coming in from foul. Second personal foul. Back to the ball game. Sablay ang una. Pasok sa break. Uy! Contested passion. Panakuha niyo. Number 27. Papasa ilalim ni Mete 78. 2 points. Geronimo. Get to the double team. Ibinigay kay Dumalaw. To Aquino. Puts up for jumper. No. Rebound by Marquez. Pinigay mula dito kay number 27. Puts up for three. Supply. Dumalaw with the rebound. Dumalaw kay Geronimo. Ibinigay kay Kabunyag. Not up this advance. Simul. Score natin. All 31. Lamang sila ng parehas. Substitution net. Number 78. Buta na. Wala pa rin po ng Infinity. Good. Diretso, Pilipino, step na harangan sa pater, nakuha pa rin ni Mirabales to Aquino for the layup, 2 points. Cruz to Marquez. Trying to shoot. Marquez, binigay sa ilalim. Desa, supply. Nakuha niya Aquino. Binigay kay Geronimo. Geronimo, diretso. Ang kanilang pasa from Arcena, wala. Rebound from Marquez. Marquez pa rin kay ang bola. Marquez, higit sa drive. Nagkata na pasa, pero wala. Rebound coming in from Mirabales. Mirabales, the opening goal of your drive, 2 points. Last 30 seconds. Cruz. Out ng bola sa labas. Titira sa tres. No. But coming in from number 9, puts up a move at natawagan ng foul. Calling a blocking foul by number 9, Dumalaw. Substitution red. Dumalaw, second personal foul. Second team foul. Pasok ang unang coming in from number 9, Santos. Pasok ang dalawa. Last 25 seconds. Pero interception by number 78, 2 points. All 35 are scored. Lamang sila ng parehas. Last 10 seconds, Mirabales, 2 points. Last 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Knockdown. Wala na po tayo oras. Halftime score po tayo, 37-35. Leading coming in, Cindy Cato.
You can't drain me of this energy. I got too much going on. I'm worried about my enemies. All the stuff you talking, I can tell it's really jealousy. On that higher frequency, won't let you get the best of me. Put that on the death of me. Turn up the intensity.
Oo pala. Okay na ba yan? Halo. Halo.
Bawal sa likod.
Sam. Tapos taka na. Pagdadalawang namin.
First quarter po tayo. Kaya Chineto.
I'm about to click out on this shit. I'm about to click. I'm about
Geronimo. Bumali ang layup, supply. Rebound by number 21. Cruz. Drop pass to number 7. Ang lakas. Aquino from Wake. Correct. Number 7, another 1.3. Natawa ka ng foul. Number 7, Mirabales, substitution. Mirabales, second personal, first team foul. Wait lang, naiiyaw. Aquino for 3. 3 points. Cruz, binigay kay number 7. Supply. Nakuha na naman mula dito kay 21 coming in from number 7. Diretso. Wala ulit. Rebound by Arcena. Pero napakainit ng pangyayari coming in from rebound and Baxo. Substitution. Pasok po. Number 7, second team foul. Third personal pala. Number 7, third personal foul. Mirabales on the drive, get into the basket at may kasama ng foul. Foul by number 9. 19 pala. Second personal, third team foul. Dynamite Dome. Close, pinali ang layup, 2 points. Net ball. Mirabales. So, Geronimo, 2 points. Net ball. Ibinigay coming in from Pequeño, 2 points. 61, 2 points. Mirabales. Ibinigay kay Geronimo. Geronimo to Arcena. Supply. Rebound from number 11. Ibinigay kay number 19 to Lopez. Lopez to Malaksak. And get to the scooping layup. 2 points. Substitution direct. Time out. Time out. Sindicato. Going back to the goal line. This game is structured by Pilos City at ang pinakamahangang na chicken pastel. At syempre, shoutout din sa katulugan ni Adrian Chinedo, ang ating cameraman. Berlio. Berlio Metro Grabe naman on the traffic on the layup 2 points. At kasuhan ng may foul. Number 45. Pasok. Tapat. Ilan si Tumalaw? Tumalaw, third personal. Second, foul. Metabalik sa Aquino. Sabay. Sawan ka rin. Pero kasuhan na may foul. Number 11. Ebaw ni mo, takin. Ebaw ni mo. Let's say 11.
11, nagkalis na tatlo.
Warning for penalty. Na-challenge. Third personal warning for penalty. Supply. Good. Naibigay kabigay from Nasting Nova. Binigay kay Miguelio. Supply. Low ball foul contact by number 61. 61. Offensive. Offensive.
Tatlo.
Miguelio, third personal foul. Tapos niya to Aquino. Aquino to Arcela, 2 points. Binigay kay Miguelio. Miguelio for 2, supply. Bola ng Sindicato. I-score natin. 50-48. William na may akong ng bola. Get to the double team. Aquino. Complete. Roberto. Pero Estrella. Pero agad na pas na kami para sa na tumalaw. 2 points. Lumalaw. Four minutes. Cruz. Ayaw pa. Nakakabaw din. Aquino. Habol na for fast break. Easy 2 points. Tumunod. Kami ngayon vlog number 11 sa ilalim. Pangkulog. Pasok at may kasama foul sa break. Pasok nilabas out. Punta pa ulit. Number 23, Aquino. First personal foul. Third, tip back. Mesiales. Dumalaw sa Aquino. Tatlo na. Sindikato tatlo po. Aquino po 3. Go! Pero nakuha na naman mula dito, guys. Santo. Miguelio. Binigay kay number 15. So, mga sa Yes! Number 11. Pass it again. At bypass na ang foul. Busted down by number 2. Ebaw ni mo. Sino po, Coach? Isang big shoutout po sa nanonood sa ating live, Rimiro. Basket shot. 3 minutes. Foul sa red. Foul by number 9, Santos. First, personal foul. Sure ba? Yan o, Heronimo. Warning for penalty. Whoop. Not down for the free foul. Lane violation. Lane violation, walang pumasok. Pansa daw siya. May pumasok kayo siya. Nagawa rin. Uy! Sa kaya ka na siya, kaya ka na pamamigyan ko. Pero yung mo yung binigay mula dito kay Mirabales. Mirabales on the blocker. No! Rebound by Vesta. By Mirabales. Running offensive foul by number 7, Mirabales. Third personal foul. Number 7, Mirabales coming in from unsportsmanlike behavior.
Kasama technical sa... Ilan? Tatlo. Third na sa
Once again, Mirabales third personal foul na may kasama siyang technical from unsportsmanlike behavior. It doesn't count. Valenzuela. Looking fast. Kay number 221. Number 21. Lalo sa points. Coming in for close. 27. Open. Easy 2 points. Leading in, coming in from Sindicato. Pero nakuha pa rin mula kay number 6. Binigay kay Valenzuela. Last 32. Santos on the blocker. Easy 2 points. Geronimo. Abuja, long 3. No. I-score natin, all 57 lamang sila ng parehas. Paswala for 3. No. Rebound, coming in from Mirabales. Mirabales to Abuja. Open for 3. And you pass coming in from Mirabales, but not just. Tangan ng ngulong ko. Good. Tumidiretso. Pero still coming in from Aquino. Aquino on the left. Easy 2 points. Last 25 seconds. Good. Inikutan. Tanong ko ni Besta. Ikaw ang kailangan. 3 seconds violation. Last 10 seconds. Geronimo. Open the cover. No. 5 seconds. Shoot. Right about. 3 for 3. No. Wala na mo tayong oras. I-score natin, 59-57. lamang pa rin.
Yan, ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko kayo, meron pa kaming slot, available slot sa 14 under, 15 under, 16 under at 17 under. So alam namin na malakas kayo kaya sumali na kayo rito. Tara G, let's go!
Second personal foul, first team foul. Pasok. Basket count, coach. Tumira sa twist. Supply. Nakuha ni Artena. Ebonimo pass to Artena sa ilalim. Artena on the post move. Ibinigay kay Kapunya. Puts up on three. Goes to number 92. No. Nakakuha na naman mula dito kay Jeronimo. Jeronimo prestored by number 92 on the left points. Pagka-shoot, time out ah. Pagka-shoot, time out. Aquino crossover. Nakakuha na Arcena. Tukabunya ko ulit for three. No! Pero nakuha din. Number 21, binigay kay Cruz. Cruz. Sabi binigay kay number 19. 292. Open sa loob. Supply. Rebound by Hama. Nakuha niya dito. To number 19. 21 for Chopper. No. Para ball and scoop. Supply. Cruz red. One more naman. Rebound from Aquino. Nakuha ni Kabunya. Kabunya sa slack. 2 boy. Time out! Infinity. Let's play MCCJ. Napaka-intense ng ating laban. Score natin 67-61. Tanahin ay ang kalamangan ng sindikato with a 6-point lead. Coming in from CJ Kabunya sa napakaraming puntos na na-drop for this team. But number 1 getting to the foul. Sino foul natin, Rep? Number 7. Merabales. Warning for graduate. Second team foul. Second team foul, no? What's up, boy, over? No! What about 5 out head? 2 points. Okay. Merabales, stopper coming in from the Balahong supply. Merabales, nakuha ni Arcena. Arcena na kasuwalang natawagan ng foul by number 11. Marshales, warning for graduate. Oh, number 11.
Meron na?
Oh,
Ready?
number 11, Marcellus. Wow. Wala pa po. Second team foul. Ay, third. First team foul. Zero out of two. Free throws. Seven ang pakikita. Nagawa ka na naman ang foul. By number 1, Marquez Santito Lugret.
Warning, warning.
Marquez 44 graduate.
Warning mga penalties.
I mean, second person that foul. 44 penalty. Lane violation. Isa lang ang free throw na pumasok. Pushing foul by number 24, Arcena. Apply. Marquez for the putback. Pero nagawa nila si Nova. 2 points. Uy, grabe na nakabilis naman yan. 2 points from Kabunyag. Cruz. Nakuha ni Bechelio Portrero. Nakuha ni Geronimo 2. Kabunyag ulit. 2 points. CJ. Cruz for 3. 3 points. Mirabales. Get to the double team. Pero kaso nga lang, intercept the pass kay ball. Pagkasi na dyan, Guadzon. Uy, nahuali. Breaking low, libre 2 points. Sindikato lang, time out na lang.
Hindi na.
Input natin, 72, 70. Mo mo. Nakakalap na ang papasahan. Last time, he shoot. Ibinigay kay Mirabales. 5 seconds shot clock. Mirabales, derecho. Tapos mo ang Stella supply. Nakuha na naman ang Marquez. Cruz. Bequino on the try. No. Not shot. Pero wala naman na dito kay Mirabales. Pagkakala sino mga kakako ng bola at ayun natawakan ng foul. Number 77. Cruz. Substitution rep. Rep, penalty. Ilan si Cruz? Time out. Time out! Infinity. Cruz, third personal foul.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by an hotel without a thought.
Pasok ang isa. Nandito na tayo sa exciting part. Tatlo ang inahabol ng Infinity. While Sindicato keeping the lead of series, but Miguelio on the drop. Nakakuha ni Marquez. Post move, pero hindi siya sablayado. Walang chance para makakuha ng lamang. But Kabunyag, na may hawak ng bola. Bantay pa rin mula dito kay Miguelio, ipinasa kay Geronimo. Last 10 seconds shot clock. Mera Vales, jump step. Pepeke, 5 seconds to shot clock. Geronimo, 3 to shoot. Drop pass to Aquino. No! Hindi pa rin masisecure na kalaban na si Ricardo para makuha ni Santos. Santos to Cruz. Cruz finds open on the side. No! Rebound from Aquino. Pero nice save. Nakuha na naman si Ricardo to Geronimo. Ibinigay kay Kabunyag. Kabunyag dito sa kalabangan. 2 points. Cruz. Miguelio. Miguelio kung nakalabas na naman. Pero nabalagay na contested at nakasawakan ng foul. Number. Sabi ko sinip. Barangay na 25. Arsena.
Apat na yun.
Arsena waiting for graduate. Waiting for penalty.
Nandun ako sa kabila.
Patok ang isa. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Hinahabol lang kalamangan ang apat from Infinity. Kabunyag calling ang isolation play, pero kaso nga lang Kabunyag pa rin magsisecure ng bola. Same ball. Merabales. Screen coming in from Arsena, pero Merabales. Wala! Habang pa rin ang hinahabol ng Infinity. Cruz, Cedric sa bola. Cruz, Cedric ang sablay. Nagwali ko sa left. Wala na naman. Miguelio. Para ba ang lumabas sa dalawa? 2 points. Merabales. Merabales. Goes out of floater. No! Merabales. Lopez. Lopez starts to go. 2 points. Time out. Para Sindicato. What a performance coming from Infinity. Ang score natin is all 75. Napansinan ng parehas.
Ay, kung sabihin na ako ng bola dyan, di may save.
Kabunyag. Kabunyag naghahanap ng basahan. Binigay kay Nuwalao. Ang Kabunyag. Pepeke. Naghahanap kay Pip. Binigay kay Aquino. Aquino securing for the lead. No! Pepe nakuha ng Infinity. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Cruz. Fake pass. Lopez coming in from the end. No! Cruz, 2 points. Geronimo. Lamang na naipili na yung dalawa. Get to the line at nakatawa ko ng foul. Number 7. Lopez. Waiting for graduate. 4th personal foul. Supply ang una ni Geronimo. Pasok ang isa. Good. Good. Passing of it. Natawakan ng laking foul by number 9. Tumalaw. Warning for graduate. Penalty. Substitution break. Both teams penalty. Both teams penalty. Sub-rep. Pasukin, labas, out. Supply ang una coming in from Lopez. Supply ang pangalawa. Arcel na binigay kay Aquino. Naibigay kay Eronimo. Eronimo finds na punya para nakakasinan. Lapit na bigay from Aquino. For the lead. Rebound. Marquez. Marquez pass to Lopez. Lopez pass to Lopez. No. Rebound from Aquino. Lopez. Last 20 seconds. Labang na kay na isa. Kapunya. Gets the try. No! Rebound. 4 seconds. 3 seconds.
Yun, ako nga pala si Coach Marlon ng Triple Threat Basketball League. So ngayon ay naka-season 2 na kami. Iniimbitahan ko kayo, meron pa kaming slot, available slot sa 14 under, 15 under, 16 under at 17 under. So alam namin na malakas kayo kaya sumali na kayo rito. Tara G, let's go!
I'm about to click out on this shit, I'm about to click. I'm about to click out on this shit, I'm about to click. I'm down to click out on you hoes and make a clown. I click the trigger on a stick like a high beam. And I was Benny Will Whip when I was 19. She got an Android, her messages is lime green.
You can't drain me of this energy. I got too much going on to worry about my enemies. All this stuff you talking, I can tell it's really jealousy. On that higher frequency, won't let you get the best of me. Put that on the death of me. Turn up the intensity.
Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No bate, bate.
Easy Jersey Riesel offers jersey set for only 600 pesos that combines affordability and high quality. Designed for comfort,